house.
Yes, this is a brick house. And it wasted this brick house. I mean, look at all those people over there, dude. This is crazy. I mean, what do you do, you know? See, that's what all our viewers are looking at right there. That's crazy. That's amazing. Hey, let's get real for a second. Biggs, best sunflower seeds ever made right here, baby. Sizzling bacon, yummy. That's like a fat kid's dream. Okay? Alright. Now let's get back to serious. This is crazy, dude. Stop sign blew over sideways. No telling what hit it. Look, oh, a tree. Look at that.
Yep. Slapped it.
Slapped it hard. This tree slapped it. That's crazy, dude. Look at this stuff. Don't worry about them.
No, I'm looking at that
Oh.
pole that's bent in half.
It's crazy, dude. Oh, you ain't getting through down there, is it? Also, you want to stay back on me and let me be in the picture a little bit. Because people want to see a fat guy walking around.
Chew these houses up and spit them out.
It did, man. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's amazing. Wow. I wonder if we can see anything that is crazy. Oh my gosh, look, it threw a deer through the window. Check it out, look at the deer. Looks like it's still alive.
Let's go check it out.
That's crazy. Wow.
There's just pieces of debris in the tree.
It's just so different being here than looking at it on a video, though. Just words you can't describe. It looks like a bomb went off.
Yeah, that's exactly what it looks like.
And what's amazing is that all these houses are demolished, and then look right there in the back. Look right over there. Come this way. Roof damage. Raises the question of who decided they're homeless and they're not. Crazy. We're looking at the aftermath of the Rowlett Tornado. This is the third day after the tornado. Look at this is really cool. Lowe's is volunteering. Look at all the red vests out there.
It's one street over. I can see those houses are still there. Pictures and
You could just see where it turned.
Yeah.
Where it turned.
Yeah.
Right here. Look at this house.
Uh-huh.
See this house? This tree split. The house next to it, it's not tore up. It's in the siding with a little bit of the roof. A few of the windows on the next house over, and then the following house looks like it's unscathed. And then you have this house over here. Come more this way. You can see it better. You have this house over here, the red one back there, a little bit of roof damage. Its fence is still up, but then you have this house on the other side of this Lowe's truck. Roof's completely wasted. And then you can see the path. Wish that truck wasn't there. Come back over here. You can see the path that it takes. You can see the path that it takes. And where's that tower, water tower? Turn around and find that water tower. There's the water tower right there. Okay, so we are on the north side. Oh, see where we're at. You got to look back over that way. There you go. We're on the north side of that water tower. That water tower.
Oh, it was? Okay. I wish I'd have brought. I haven't.
And go ahead and turn back around. Look straight down the street. Okay. You can see that trying to hooks off to the right.
Yeah, the little one. Or I was thinking big extension. Yeah, that's the one that. Okay. Seems like
Go over that way. Man, that's crazy. It just literally went straight through here. Turn back around. It went straight through here. Just past the water tower.